Hi there, today we'll learn how to create a direct invoice for a customer. Let's begin by clicking on the Financial Accounting button for that. Then click on Invoice. Under Invoice type, select Direct. Then search for the customer you want to create the invoice. Here I selected Customer Bounce Saloon. Add items. Search for an item. Then select the item. Give it an order quantity and price. Add item changes for this one particular item to be added. Or click Add and continue to add another item. I am going to give Add item changes. As we see, the one particular item is add to this invoice. Let's click on Preview. Now the invoice is created and submitted, and also the PDF is previewed here.